Hi everyone, this is Brad. The other day a friend of mine came up to me and wanted to make her behavior charts for herself and for her instructional assistant available electronically. Well, in this example, we're going to use Google Forms and we're going to use Wakelet. Now, this has already been created in Google Forms, so I just went in, titled it student number 1, gave a nice little description down here of the information to fill out, and then came right down in here, made this required, did it begin the task within a minute, made it multiple choice, yes or no, how long, minutes and seconds, made it short answer, also made it required, and then also down in here, how many prompts did you give, made it short answer so we could leave the short answer text available for like tally marks, so you could just do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, one thing I'd recommend that you do is go into the settings gear and then make sure that the respondents can edit after they submit in case they make a mistake. It's up to you if you want to see summary charts and text responses if you want for the respondents. It's up to you. You don't have to leave that on. But I'm going to select save, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select send. Now I'm going to create a link, and I'm going to copy this link. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Wakelet, and Wakelet is a great way to make a collection, and you can add a number of links inside of Wakelet, so inside of one link. So what we're going to do, we're just going to call it sample, and we'll call it behavior charts. Okay, so the first one, what we're going to do is we're just going to Control V and put that in there. So that is student number 1. Now, in the Google form, we're going to go in and we're just going to make a copy of this one. And in this case, we're going to call it student number 2. All right. And what it's going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to do the same thing. Everything's already been created. Just make sure, yep, we're going to leave those as is. Don't limit to one response. You don't want that. Leave that open. What you do want to do is go into send. You want to get another link. Select copy. Okay, well, we're going to change this to student number 2. Sorry about that. So we'll just select copy. All right. Now we're going to go into Wakelet. We're going to scroll down here a little bit, and we're just going to go ahead and Control V. And give it a second. Here it is, student number 2, so you can put as many as you'd like on there. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to make this unlisted. You could add some background images and some other things. We're not going to do that right now. We're going to select save. And now what you could do is you can go ahead in and we're going to select share. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead in and we're going to copy the link. Now, just to show you that this does work, we're going to go into an incognito window. You could do Control-Shift-N, Control-V, paste it. And now you could share this with whomever you'd like to. Maybe it's your instructional assistant, who knows who it may be. And they can go ahead in, and here it is. They can just select the form. They can go in, student number 1, did it begin? Absolutely. How long? 20 seconds. And how many prompts? That would be 2. So we're going to select submit. Now, to show you that that worked right away, let's go ahead in. Let's go into student number 1. Here's the response. You can see it's available in the chart form if you'd like it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a spreadsheet. And you can see timestamp, and if you want to see the information, you want to see all of it right away, you want to see all this information, just click in there just to automatically go as far as it goes. So there it is. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into that Wakelet, into that link. We're going to go back to student number 1. Maybe it's the next day, or maybe it's the next task. Did it begin it? Let's just say no. How long did it take? It took 2 minutes and 20 seconds. How many prompts did you give? Let's just say 9. Submit, and I'll show you what it looks like right here. Boom, there it is. There's all your information. So, and just know that this right in here, this information is locked just for you. It's private to only you. It's up to you with whoever you want to share it with. So there you go. There is some information on how to create a behavior chart, make it available online, and then make it easy to find. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.